So we're tracking this line of heavy thunderstorms, a few even strong storms along the line. And right now I want to show you a live picture. This is our camera up in Rome. And this is looking north from Floyd County into that severe thunderstorm, which right now does include northern Floyd County. It also includes Chattooga County. And this storm moving very quickly along this line to the east-southeast at about 60 miles per hour. So that was where the camera was, looking north into the storm. And you can see it's moving right now into Lafayette. And if we time this out a little bit closer, it's going to be arriving in Somerville as we get closer to about 12:28. And if it holds together with this kind of intensity and speed forward, you can expect those strong winds arriving in Calhoun by about 12:46 today. So some wind gusts to 60 miles per hour possible within this severe thunderstorm. It also mentions a little bit of small hail. I have seen reports of some of the tree damage back in Alabama, but haven't seen any confirmed reports of the hail size within that storm. So this is a skinny line of thunderstorms that's all ahead of this cold front, and this is going to bring a drastic change in our weather throughout the day today. It feels spring-like outside right now. As those storms move through, our temperatures will be dropping. So the 3 W's to know about today: it's windy all day. This afternoon for a period, it turns wet when those storms move in. But it's not all warm. We're in the 70s right now. By the end of the day today, we're falling from the 50s into the 40s. Here's that level 1 risk of severe weather. It goes all the way down to about Spalding County and points north. I don't expect all these storms to be strong and severe. I think they're an overall weakening trend as they move it into Atlanta area, but nonetheless, a few isolated strong storms like we're seeing now with some damaging winds possible. Let's push this forecast track out to 1:30. You can see those are starting to move into places like maybe Canton, moving in towards Gordon County and also Bartow County, Adairsville area. As we get closer to 3:30 today, you see how these look like they're kind of in a weakening trend. We expect what's left of those showers and thunderstorms to push into the Atlanta area. And then the further in the afternoon that we go, those showers get further and further south and east, and they should be weakening as they get further southeast of the Atlanta area. Meanwhile, temperatures are going to crash as we go throughout the late afternoon today. 73 in Atlanta right now, west-southwest winds 18 miles per hour. Our cameras have been shaking in those gusty winds. Right now, the last hour, our peak gust is 32 miles per hour from the southwest in Gainesville. This afternoon, as the front moves through, some gusts could get up to 45 miles per hour. Wind advisory continues through 11 o'clock tonight. So let me show you what's going to happen with these temperatures today. We're in the mid-70s right now. We're going to stay around 70 in Atlanta until 3. And then look at this, a sharp drop-off between 3 and 5 o'clock by nearly 20 degrees. So you'll need those jackets later today as the showers, the thunderstorms clear out. We catch a break from the rain chances tomorrow, but I want to show you what comes in Friday. Thursday night into Friday morning, east winds set up with cool temperatures and moisture moves in on top of that. Friday is going to start off breezy, chilly, and wet. It's going to be a raw morning. Rain will overspread the area. No storms with this, but that rain will taper off into the afternoon. We'll have some lingering spotty showers as we go into Saturday and Sunday. Here's your 7-day forecast. Today, buckle up. We've got these gusty showers, thunderstorms moving in, followed by falling temperatures, windy conditions. 74 will be our high today, and we fall dry tomorrow, rain moving back in with a high of 49 on Friday.
All right, Melissa, thanks for the heads up. Well,